Welcome back. So today we're gonna do what's it called again?
Munkbang.
Munkbang. Okay. So we got Cane's chicken. So I don't know what to talk about. This chicken is good. I love the Cane's. Oh.
I'm gonna sweep the table.
Thank you. You want some of this?
Sounds like good. For you.
Oh. Sorry about that. I never tried this Raisin Cane sauce, so I'm about to try it for the first time. No, I haven't. It's good.
You at home by yourself?
Fine. I mean, it's good, but I don't know what you're talking about. That's good. I mean, I don't know. It's good. Just like onions.
It's weird on the side.
That makes no sense. I don't just like onion cakes like this.
Not sure what you're doing there.
Alright. So, let's talk about what is happening. That's the other video. Ow. I got a story to tell. Story time part 2 or something? Huh? Fatty.
This tea's too sweet.
Story time. P2.
Stop.
It's part 2. I call it P2.
Huh?
Or part 2. Okay. Embarrassing. No. Does it have to be about you? No. Okay. So, but can't talk about me because I'm not. I was playing football. And so it was like, you remember when I used to play for the Broncos? And then this dude was running. And so this dude tackled him. But it was flag football. And so what he did, you ready to laugh? Okay, so you know how you fall like this, right? Oh, you fall like this. The other dude caught onto his pants, his butt, everything was showing. People in the crowd was throwing stuff and everything. That's kind of sad. That's mean. Or are you laughing about it? Because if that was you, you'll be fat. It's funny, but that. Alright. So, me. So, it was the first day of 3rd grade. And I wanted to wear blue jeans and a shirt like normal. You know? No, I think it was 4th grade. And it was this ugly dress. I had to put it on so embarrassing. The most embarrassing. One of the most embarrassing things. Not the embarrassing, but one of the most. And I was about to cry because I have the ruffles up here. Like those little bulgy things on your shoulder. It was ugly. Well, I walked in there, everybody was just staring at me. I'm like, first day of school, everybody just stared at each other like. I remember you from last year? Wow. I was in like kindergarten. Mom took pictures of, I had church shoes on. I had a church shoe and a tennis shoe, and it was backwards. What? A church shoe and a tennis shoe? What? How? I was getting late for school. I was like, hurry up the house, hurry. I just threw on some church shoes. I threw on church shoes and tennis shoes because I couldn't find my other church shoe or my tennis shoe. I said I couldn't find them, so I just put them on. And then at the doctor's office, the doctor was like, "Is your shoes is backwards?" So sipping my tea, I said, Mama said, "Oh boy," and she came and took a picture. Oh yeah, I remember that. Where she was back when you had the flower thing. It was like,
Yeah.
miss you. That one. Alright, I found out. What you want to say? Alright. I need nothing. So, yeah, chicken. Yes, ma'am. Alright, so, a scary one. No, you gotta tell yours.
And then it's like
A scary one. So, there's this creepy girl in 3rd grade. She always saying, I don't know, I just state my distance away. She was weird. She's like, you guys, there's a ghost. Or she'll go in the bathroom and she'll say, what did Mary and I look like? Let me finish washing my hands and get out. So, this one day, I don't know why, but she was mad at me. She was mad. She was mad at me. I was like, okay. Ew. Don't do that. Yeah. Stop. Don't.
I feel like I got abs.
Stop.
Y'all got any more sauce?
Oh.
No. Unless you want to find the little grams there is in here.
Yo, what?
These birds look like booty.
We didn't want to catch one.
No, I don't want to smell it. Oh, I smell this part. I'm good.
Since we was on that trip, we kept passing it.
Yo, what? I was gonna buy it, but then
Alright, back to the story. So,
You said it.
this game. One day she was mad for no reason at everybody. She looked at me up. Because I was like, can you stop doing all that stuff? And so,
Sorry about that.
So, she was great. So it was test day.
Good here.
You know, test day.
Test
So,
it.
So she's like, oh, your backpack is moving and stuff. Oh, there's curtains. And I was like, okay, I can't wait till this year ends. And so the bell rang and got out, and then she just looked and gave me this kind of stare, like a death stare. And so I was like, okay. So I just went on about my business and never talked to her. So yeah.
Okay.
It was, and she was weird.
The scariest thing.
I think her
It was
mom
in.
came up and whooped her.
It was in the what do you call it? Cafeteria, right? This boy took 2 straws and like a napkin like this, and then he write yes, no, you know.
Oh no,
And
that's not a good game to play.
I know.
You shouldn't even be thinking about that. But
I didn't. I was sitting right next to him, and I tried to move away. I moved away, and then the cafeteria said, "Sit down." I said, okay. And so I was like,
I would have been like, no.
I was praying. I was praying, and then he put a straw right here, and the straw literally just bent like.
No,
like,
let me tell you something. Let me tell y'all something.
Everybody screamed like,
okay, no, let me tell you something. It was perfectly normal day, and they said somebody in another classroom was playing that Charlie thing, that non-good game, and all the lights cut off in the whole entire school, and then the microwave was on in somebody's room, and they just started popping popcorn all of a sudden, and then it cut off, and then cut back on, and cut off, and then the lights just cut back on. We had to sit out in the hallway.
It literally I just saw with my own eyes. I was sitting like right over here, like 5 seats down, and then
I bet it was like,
hold on,
they banned that game from that school.
I know. Okay, so I'm using my thing. This is a straw, straight, perfectly fine, and it just started bending like this, and it twisted around like that.
And this would have been
everybody started screaming, and then just let loose like that. But that's it.
I would have been gone. I'm for real been gone.
And then the other boy tried it because it was his friend. It was like 2 tables.
Them 7th graders tried it. the whole school has shut down.
Like Nia. Oh, this is what Nia. I remember she told us this story at work, man.
Oh yeah.
It was these kids playing that thingy.
Thingy
that
And then
she
flew off the bleachers.
And then the pencils, everything just started flowing like this, floating.
Papers everywhere, paper.
Spinning around and everything.
Like they need a bottomless pit. Tinder.
Well, that's it. Make sure y'all subscribe, comment, share, like.
Hold up. Whoa. 1 second.
Alright. That's the end of this video. And it means you make sure y'all subscribe, comment, like, smash that share.
Yeah.
Smash
And now
that
you can see it.
subscribe button. We'll see you later.
Wait. Hold on. One more thing.
Oh,
Hit the notification bell.
and we did this.
Yesterday, but we didn't upload the video. We made that yesterday.
It actually is turning clear. Oh, that's so cool.
Well, that's cool.
Peace.